Yeah, welcome everyone to our next FI configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to define a company in SAP. So, a company is an organizational unit in accounting which represents a business organization according to the requirement of a commercial law in a particular country. So, that is the definition of a company. So, we will see like how to create a company in SAP. So you can directly go to the transaction code OX15 or by configuration path. So we will go through the configuration path here. SPRO, press enter, reference IMG. Then here enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and here the first one define company. Click here, go to the new entries here. So I'll be creating my company code 7075 here, name of the company. I'll put the address here. I'll assign the language key also and currency INR. So you see like I have updated all the details over here. Then after I will click on save here. I have already created one TR. I will include these changes into this TR. Click on continue. Now your company is created. So we can check the details here. Go click on position, enter company code, define company here. Now you can see here the details of the company. So by this way we can define a company here in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.